Hi everyone. Today I am going to show how to propagate pathos in water. Just I am showing one plant I have kept beside the bright window, how it is thriving and how it is showing its beauty. See, I kept it in ceramic planter to enhance the beauty. See, I propagated the golden pathos. It's growing well. In glass container, it is ceramic container, it is also growing well. It is plastic container. I am showing the different container. You can grow in any container. It will grow very nicely, but you have to maintain that one. I will show you in this video. See, marble pathos in the glass container. The beauty of the roots you can see. This is chocolate pathos. This is enjoy pathos. If you maintain neatly, you can see very beautiful growth. See, the very nice leaf is coming. This one is then also terracotta part, but I kept some plastic container inside. See, these are all the plant I done with the cuttings. See, to show you all, I have collected 3 cuttings: marble, golden and neon pathos. I will show you step by step how to propagate all these. See, just take the container containing water and one rubber band. Just cut along the nodes. Just discard the stem. Okay. Cut down the lower leaf. No leaves has to be immersed in water. It will decay and it will harm the plant. Just tie all along the nodes, lower side of the nodes. Just dip it in the water. Done. See, now I am done with the marble pathos. I will show the neon pathos. Just lower leaves you have to cut down. That should not be immersed in the water. So okay, just collect all the nodes in one side and tie it with the rubber band. Okay, immersed in water. See, all the roots has to be immersed in the water. Okay, this is golden pathos. I collect the long stem, cut down the lower stem. See the bushiness, to show the bushiness of this plant. When I kept in the water, I show bushiness. See, just like this. I collected from all over the corner of my house to show you all. This will enhance the beauty of my home. See, I will show how to maintain. Just you have to clean all the roots in running tap water. And also you have to clean the container. This is the one I kept in the plastic container. Just immerse all the roots and kept it in a ceramic pot to enhance the beauty of that plant. Same with the glass jar. I am going to clean with any discarded toothbrush. See, clean all the roots. Just collect the clean tap water. It should be chlorine free tap water. So collect immerse all the roots in the water. Just enjoy the urban gardening by keeping all these beauties in your corner of the house. Thank you.